Hey DreamIt, I'm RJ, this is Anthony, we're with ThanksBud. We wanted to answer your question through video because we can probably create this video a lot quicker than we can actually write another email, the length of the email Anthony wrote last time. So, to answer your first question, the chicken and egg scenario, how do we get service buyers and quality service providers? To do that, we've really thought about our core business model. And what we've seen is our growth model is really different from most people's growth model. We've seen failed startups before try to launch nationwide immediately. Particularly, we're friends with a group called Metro who failed late last year after trying to launch on a nationwide basis. What they found was that their users would log in and there would be no one on the other side for them to talk to. So they lost that first impression and that user never came back. So we're launching similar to Craigslist, where we launch in a specific area first and then after being successful in one area, moving to other areas. Because we know what area we're launching in and we're launching in specific areas, we're able to target the service providers in that area. The second thing that we do different is in that area, let's say Austin, whenever we launch in Austin, we are only launching in specific service categories. Our key is launching in 6 categories. So whenever we launch in Austin, we know what 6 service categories we need to recruit service providers for. So now our responsibility is to market and tell all service providers in 6 key areas in a specific city to come to our site and sign up as a user. Our users will also, or our service providers will gladly sign up because now they're getting, at no cost to them, free job opportunities on their cell phone. Now they're able to see all opportunities that come through our network straight to their cell phone and able to get basically work at no acquisition cost.
All right, and that really leads into the marketing section. We've kind of noticed a grassroots movement. It's going towards linked data and open information. And we've noticed that a lot of people try to clump us in the same list as Angie's List and Service Magic and companies like that. But the difference is, and the main thing that makes us unique from those companies, is our business model. We are going to provide all this information, all this data-based information on local pricing averages and all this review information. We're going to do that free of charge. So people that hear about our site can come here and get this benefit without having to pull out their wallet or pay a fee or see any real cost for this information. So we've seen other companies that have utilized similar business models like this, and what they do is they piggyback off of other successful social and networking sites and other successful companies in order to market their product. Because we are essentially a free transactional-based business model, we can use companies like Facebook or Friend Connect and Google Connect or iPhone applications and the popularity of those to just gain visibility in the marketplace. And once we do that, people don't have anything stopping them from coming to our site and using our services. One of the examples of one of those companies is like Lending Club. They started out as just a Facebook application, and then they went and spun off into a website that was independently standalone, and they've been largely successful based solely on the marketing efforts they've done through other companies. And we're going to utilize that same sort of marketing. Finally, we kind of understand that you're having trouble to see the uniqueness. We understand a lot of people are trying to solve this problem, and we understand that this is a difficult problem to solve, but we also believe that we can do it. ThanksBud is going to launch, and we're going to be successful. We're the type of founders that are driven and passionate about what we're going to do, and we're going to make it happen, even if it's not the same company as it is today. So even if there are some problems, we can address those problems, and we hope to do those together at DreamIt Ventures, and we appreciate you listening to us and hearing out our explanation of all the issues you have. If you have any other questions, feel free to email us or give us a call, or we'd love to fly out and come talk to you. So thanks for all your time.
Thanks.